Okay, I decided to shut this thing down. So as I did, I removed the two coils that I didn't know whether they were putting a drag on it or increasing it. So it's still running on two coils. There are only two coils left on it. And as you can see, you can't see that the motor speeded up. I'll show you that in a second. But the wheel is going much faster. In fact, it's almost going as fast as it was when it had four coils on it. But this is running now with two coils on it, but it's running much, much faster. So it speeded up when I removed the two coils. I removed this coil here. I removed the coil that was over here. So the only thing left now is we have this coil here and this coil over here. Alright, now I also made a change on here while I was shutting it down. I tested the battery, and the battery went up to 14 volts. So it's all of a sudden now it's charging. It's getting a lot more charge, put it that way. So I had to put a load on it. I had to get the battery down, get some of that current out of the battery. So I'm lowering the battery back down. So this is, it's not part of the shutdown test, but I guess it is. It's ending up that way. I took measured this battery out here, which was one of the output batteries, and I only had 12.1 or 12.2 volts on it. So I took one coil here and put it over to that charge battery, and then this coil to the other charge battery. So they're each on their own charge battery now, and one has got a load on it to discharge it, and the other one is just charging off of this here. Find out in a little bit. I just can't get this thing shut down. Every time I turn around, I'm seeing things that I just don't believe. So it's running at a much, much faster speed. You can see that, and yet the draw out of the wall is, you can see it. So there we go. Once again, I don't understand it. This Bedini is it just surprises me at every turn, and everything is a surprise with it. So it's been turning at this speed here. I've had the two off now, maybe 20 minutes or so. So I don't see that it's going to stop. I would imagine it would just keep going like this. But as I said before, I just don't want to spend my life testing on something here that I know I'm going to be tearing apart. So, but I just had to put this on. Had to put this on film, get a copy of this, because it's just one that I would have never believed a couple of weeks ago. All right. Once again, I don't make any conclusions on it. I just see what we're getting. So, peace be with you.